Little dragon.
There we go. So you can see his face. All right. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is kind of cool. These are all little fish, so you can see maybe the person that maybe raises them. Better show. I think I've heard of that one. That one's I think those are the ones that you can't put with another fish or they'll fry it. Guppies, Thai fish. Let's take a look at some of these.
ดูได้เปิดผมบอกให้ถ่ายรูปในตัวจริงยืนนี่เลย
Yes.
Oh, that's good. It's like that.
เนี่ย
So let's see.
พอดีวันนี้เข้าเวรพอดี
This one.
ครับ ดาก้อนจูเนียร์
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
ดิสตันดาก้อน
So I think this guy, he's the fish owner, and then it says 1997.
ลิตเติ้ลดาก้อน
There we go. So you can see his face. All right. I like this. It's really cool. So they sell all these little fish, and I think when I was a kid, I remember seeing these little fishes like this. So I guess each owner has their own little group. So this is the group, this one. Oh, then if you put these together, uh-oh. So now I think once they see each other, then that means a problem, I think. So you just stick more up just to see what happens. So I think they want to fight once they Oh no, I guess there it is. That's interesting. So some of them have these little things and some of them don't, so he just took out these ones. Pretty cool. Very interesting.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.